Recover Telegram account without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover Telegram account without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to basically recover Telegram account without phone number, all you have to do is launch the Telegram application here. Then after that, if you don't have a phone number and then you want to recover your account, well, let me tell you that unfortunately you can't recover your Telegram account without a phone number. Your phone number is how Telegram verifies that you are the owner of the account, and if you cannot prove the ownership of your account, you can't hence go ahead and then recover your account. Now, one thing that I would recommend is that depending upon your career and your country, if you lost your SIM card, you can simply choose to get a new SIM card with the same old phone number, as long as that old phone number was in your name and it belong to you. Otherwise, because from the Telegram side of things, you can't recover it without a phone number. But as I said, depending upon the country and the SIM card that you used, you can simply call the customer service and then you can request them to get a new number with the same number, right? So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.